Good afternoon, super happy campers. This is Jeremy Gaines here, JM Gaines RV Rentals, coming at you. And I'm out here in the small town of Joyce, Washington. If you don't know where Joyce is, I'll insert a little segment about what's in Joyce. Joyce General Store has been an icon of the town since 1911. There's camping available at Salt Creek Recreation Area at Tongue Point, featuring gun emplacements and bunkers that overlook the Straits of Juan de Fuca, as well as beaches, tide pools, and more to explore. I came up here to visit my dad, and I also thought, let's look for another RV for a rental. So I came across this one here. You talking about diamond in the rough there? So we're gonna walk back and take a look, see what we got. My dad lives out in the middle of nowhere, 40 acres out in the woods. There's this here, that was my grandfather's old horse trailer back in the 70s. And back behind that, we just have my little brother's little Jeep Cherokee. If anyone needs a Jeep Cherokee, shout out and I'll hook you up with him. But this is what we came to look at today. This here is the camper trailer that I actually lived in when I was a teenager. I'm 52 now, so this was 35 years ago, at least, around, as I was a teenager. It's affectionately named now the Mouse House. It's been sitting out here in the woods for many years, and if you can see, it's kind of buried here. There's, looking down underneath there's the tire back in there. So if we're going to use this for a rental, we're going to have to do a little bit of work. I'm going to back up and let's just look at the back end here. There you go. Looks like it's going to need some new tail lights. That's probably the biggest thing, right? Oh, wait, maybe not. I'm going to come around to the side here. This at the front. Here's the front end. Looks like the tongue is still attached. It is. Yep, there it is. See, we have a trailer tongue here. It's maybe slightly rusted, but I think we can fix this. What do you think? Hey, hit the comment down below what we think we should do with this. It's a little bit dark outside. It's losing light. That's a good thing it's not locked, so I can get in. And there's the inside of the door. Needs a little bit of sanding and touch-up paint, looks like. And the other tires, even got the hubcap still on it. Look at that. We're in good shape there. We can come in, we can look in the mirror if you want. Okay, the floor's solid. I'm not going to fall through it. Unfortunately, the light. Let's see if the lights work. No, light doesn't work right now. But this was my bedroom when I was growing up. You can see it needs a little bit of touch up inside here. And do a little walk around, full walk through. Here's the stove, a little 3-burner stove with an oven. So we're looking good here. Look at that, the oven's even halfway clean inside. It's in good shape. We can make that work, huh? Top nose. It's got the vent in the roof. Again, it's going to need a little bit of work there to make that open and close better. Let's see. Look at that. Oh yeah, we're in business here. We got these old ones didn't come up real high. If you can look and see, it's just a turn screw. Turn it back down. It just recedes back into there. Same thing here. I'm gonna close it back down so we don't get any water inside, right? Because it's we are talking vintage here. This is totally vintage, totally original. Yeah, the carpet may not have been original, but it's a little bit worn. I might have to clean that up just a little. We looked inside the oven. Here's the sink. It's got the handle, the pump on it. So you just pump the handle to get water. I must have an empty tank right now. And you could even hook up to city water and have water pressure here. And here's your opening windows. Look at that, the window still opens. Good shape there. Well, can get it open, you know, we might have to, there we go. That's close enough. Yeah, you're asking, there's a couple of the rings for the stove there. Looking good. This had an ice box in it. I might have to find the doors missing, so we might have to look for that somewhere. It might be laying around, you never know. And then it had a nice pantry underneath and some 1970s plastic organizers. And then here's the other side. This might be why it was called the mouse house. Whatever this is back in there, I can't tell. Anyhow, a bed lays down in the back, and then folds up there, slides back into a couch. We'll mess with that later. And I can't remember, we never had a bunk bed on here, to my recollection, but there was, you can see the wood across both sides here, where something went across, so you can have a shelf across there, and more lights. You know, that one clicks, but it still doesn't work, because, you know, there's no power in here. Still has the original fuses inside. Oh, well, I'm gonna leave that cabinet open. Anyway, I thought I'd give you a quick look around here. This is J.M. Gaines RV Rentals. Could be the very next rental, but if you looking for an RV to rent, look me up. I'm in Cheney, Washington. Again, this is a beauty. It just needs a little bit of work. And let me know what you think down in the comments below. Please, if you like this content, you know, subscribe, click that like button, subscribe, you know, the notification for ringy dingy and stuff like that. All the standard YouTube fun. Anyway, thank you again for watching. And I'll show you one more step back, let you see the little overall view here. It's got environmental friendly roofing on top there. See that? It's all natural composting type material. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.